Continuing to read the tea leaves and watch for if people are still willing to spend ginormously on AI. Sources say Meta is in talks to build a new data center campus for AI that could cost over $200 billion based on the number of chips and the amount of power for the site. Quoting the information, Meta's proposed new data center campus, which hasn't previously been reported, would be several times larger than a new AI data center in Louisiana that CEO Mark Zuckerberg discussed last month, which he implied would be about 4 miles long. The discussion suggests Meta is preparing for a multi-year surge in demand for generative AI among its billions of users through an AI chatbot available in all its apps. It also shows the lengths to which Zuckerberg may go to keep up with rival OpenAI, which has embarked on a joint venture with SoftBank to spend $500 billion over 4 years on new data centers for its AI. Leaders at Meta and OpenAI grew concerned about the speed with which xAI stood up a data center to develop AI in Memphis, Tennessee last year, prompting them to move faster with their projects, according to people who have spoken to them. Meta executives have told data center developers that the company is open to building the bigger campus in states including Louisiana, Wyoming, or Texas, according to someone who spoke with them. Senior executives this month visited potential sites, this person said. The Meta executives discussed eventually needing between 5 and 7 gigawatts of power for the site. By comparison, OpenAI has planned to acquire 8 gigawatts of power for its proposed array of data centers known as Stargate by 2030. Each gigawatt is enough to power 750,000 homes. To put OpenAI's and Meta's projects in perspective, at the end of 2023, Microsoft's entire Azure cloud business had around 5 gigawatts of capacity, according to a former employee. It could take Meta more than 5 years to get that kind of power for its proposed campus. It's unclear whether Meta will build the facilities on its own, contract with an outside developer, or partner with a cloud computing provider like Oracle or CoreWeave that would help with construction and operation. Meta uses its own data centers and also rents AI servers from cloud providers such as Amazon Web Services and Oracle. Meta wouldn't necessarily be on the hook for building out the proposed data center campus if Zuckerberg changes his mind down the line, according to a person who has been involved in the talks. Large data center deals tend to happen in phases, so Meta's deal might give it the exclusive right, but not the obligation to continue growing the project. Meta would likely need to sign a long-term data center lease to secure the campus, but it wouldn't need to commit to buying a certain number of AI chips, which is the most expensive aspect of such a project, end quote.